If you have charging issues on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, the first thing that you can do is you can take a look at the reverse side of the Galaxy Watch 9, because over here, of course, we have this part that is connecting with the wireless charger that is dedicated for our Galaxy Watch 9. So if there's like any dust, debris, or if it's just dirty, then of course this might interfere with the connection and the watch might not be able to properly connect with the charger. In fact, you can of course check out your charger as well. So if your charger is dirty, you might want to clean it up. By the way, if you want to clean the back of your Galaxy Watch 9, try to use some sort of fabric that, you know, and that will make sure that it won't damage the or scratch the back panel over there. We don't really want to destroy that, of course, by accident. And in the case of cleaning this part over here of the wireless charger, you can also try to use something really soft, something that doesn't scratch the surface or anything like that, and it should work just fine if you do. Now, besides that, of course, our wireless charger for our Galaxy Watch 9 has to be connected to something to be able to charge our Galaxy Watch 9. So if you use a charger, let's say the same charger that you use for your phone, then you might want to check if the charger works fine. So you might want to temporarily try to connect something different to see if the connection works. If it works, then of course this might be a problem with the wireless charger. And if it doesn't, then it might be the problem with the charger that you connect your wireless charger to. So you can also try to use a different device that provides power via USB-C cable. So let's say your computer, if your computer has USB-C port, then you can connect your wireless charger to your computer, or even to your phone. So of course, phones now, pretty much every phone has USB-C port, which allows you to connect the charger to the phone and then start charging your watch. So this might work as well. And also, another thing that is worth doing is, of course, restarting your watch. What you can do is you can press and hold both of these buttons, and you want to keep holding them until the watch shuts down, and afterwards it should turn back on, and hopefully after rebooting, as long as, of course, it is still on, if it still has battery left, and then maybe rebooting will solve the issue. If none of this helps, it is definitely recommended to contact the Samsung support at this point and ask them for any solutions. Maybe they will provide you some additional information on what you can do or what you can try to do. And if even they cannot really help you with that, then maybe they will offer you to simply send the Galaxy Watch 9 to them, or maybe you will try to seek professional help by yourself. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.